Welcome to the guide to filling out the NPERS Direct Deposit form video. The direct deposit form is used to enroll and update banking information for payments made to our members. This form should be submitted in conjunction with a distribution application or retirement application, unless you are updating banking information already on file with NPERS. The first step in filling out your form is to enter your personal information at the top. Once you have filled out your name, date of birth, address, social security number, email, and phone number, you will need to fill in the name of your most recent employer. Next, check your plan type in the box to the right. Be sure to check all the plan types that you wish for this form to apply to. For example, if you are a member of the State Retirement Plan, as well as the Deferred Compensation Plan, you may check the boxes for State and DCP to have payments from both plans deposited to the account you provided information for. However, keep in mind that if you only want the information on this form to apply to your state account, you should leave the box for DCP blank. Moving along, you will see two options under the Direct Deposit heading. If you choose the monthly benefit, this means that you wish for your annuity benefit or periodic payment to be directly deposited each month into the account information that you provide. If you choose the lump sum refund, we are able to directly deposit a one-time payment or distribution into that account. For more information on the differences between receiving an annuity payment versus taking a lump sum refund, please refer to your plan handbook or books, or review the distribution/retirement application that coincides with your direct deposit request. Plan handbooks can be found on our website, npers.ne.gov. Whether you are taking a refund or establishing the account that is to receive your monthly annuity payment, if you are depositing into a checking account, you will need to attach a voided check. Please refrain from using staples when attaching your voided check, and note that a voided deposit slip will not be accepted. If you are depositing into a savings account, you will need to attach documentation from your financial institution, such as an account statement, which lists your account number and the routing number of your financial institution. Note that while we do not accept deposit slips for checking accounts, we can accept deposit slips as documentation for savings accounts. Next, fill out your financial institution's name, city, state, and zip code, and select the type of account you are depositing your refund into. Please note that even if you have both a checking and savings account at your financial institution, you should only select the account type that corresponds with the information, account number and routing number, that you have listed above. So, for example, if you have attached a voided check in the box above, you should also select Checking here. It is of note that the account type must match the account information you have provided, or your institution may return your payment to us. Finally, sign and date the box at the bottom of the form. This form must include your signature in order to be processed, so be sure to complete this step before submitting your paperwork. We hope this guide to filling out the direct deposit form has been helpful. If you have further questions, or if you are unable to secure a bank account and need information on further options, our call center is available to help. They can be reached at 402-471-2053 or 800-245-5712. You will hear a pre-recorded message, at which point you will want to press 1 for member services. Our hours of operation are from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m., Monday through Friday.